Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us proceed to the video of how to remember the values of trigonometric angles. The very first trigonometric ratio is sine. So now if we have to remember sine 0 degree, which is very simple, since there is 0, so sine 0 degree would be 0. So there is no trick for it. So because it is 0 degree, so we'll start with 0. So now what is sine 30 degree? How will we remember? We know that sine 30 degree is half, but how can we bring half, or how can we keep that in our mind? So first of all, if you tend to forget it at any point of time, how can you just recollect it? So there is a trick to recollect it. So the trick is, see, this is 30 degree. We can write it as 3 plus 0, which is 3, isn't it? Again, 3 we can break down into 1 plus 2, right? So 1 plus 2 we can write as 1 by 2. Again, we know that sine 30 degree is half, right? So in this way, we can remember that sine 30 degree is half, right? So first of all, we'll write down 30 degree, then we'll break down 30 degree into 3 plus 0, it will be 3. Again, we can break down 3 into 1 plus 2, so 1 plus we can write as half. So in this way, you can remember that sine 30 degree is half. So guys, if you remember what is sine 30 degree, it is very easy to remember sine 45 degree, because if you put up a square root on sine 30 degree, you will get sine 45 degree. So if we put square root on 1 by 2, the result would be 1 by root 2, which is the value of sine 45 degree, right? So we have to just remember that if there is sine 0 degree, since there is 0, it will be 0 only. Now sine 30 degree, I have told you that if you tend to forget it, how can you recollect it? So the trick that I have given you, you can use it to recollect, okay? So now if you remember sine 30 degree, then you can remember sine 45 degree as well, because if we put up square root, then we will get the sine 45 degree, right? So sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So sine 60 degree, so similarly like 30 degree, you can write here 60 degree, right? So 60 degree is 6 plus 0. We can write 60 degree, like we can break down into 6 plus 0, okay? So now it will be what? 6, isn't it? So it is 6. So 6 can be written as 3 into 2. Now 3 into 2, for improvisation, or to just remember, or to just use this trick, we can write as 3 into 2 as 3 by 2, right? So we know that sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So here we can write 3 by 2. So how can we remember that? Where will be the square root? So since it is in the denominator, we can remember in a way that if it is in the root over is in the denominator, so the next time in sine 60 degree, it will appear in the numerator. So it will be root 3 by 2. So sine 90 degree is very easy to remember. I don't think that I need to put up any trick for it. So sine 90 degree is 1. Okay, so now we have laid the foundation of remembering the trigonometric values of trigonometric angles. So if you remember what is sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, then easily you can remember the whole table. So now we have to remember what is cos. So to remember cos, we have to know what is sine. So I have told you that how to remember sine. So now cos is nothing, just the reverse of sine. So here it was 90 degree, it was 1. So we have to write here the reverse form of sine. So 1 will come here, right? Then root 3 by 2 will come here. Okay. Then 1 by 2 will come here. Sorry, 1 by root 2 will come here. Then 1 by 2 will come here. And sine cos 90 degree will be 0. So you'll automatically remember what is cos 0 degree, cos 30 degree, cos 60 degree, cos 90 degree, cos 45 degree, if you remember what is sine 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree and 90 degree. So as I have said you, the basic of remembering the trigonometric angles is already been taught to you. Like how do you remember the sine 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, how do you remember cos? So now it's very easy for you, because now you just have to remember some trigonometric identities, and if you remember those trigonometric identities, believe me, it is very easy. So now you have to remember one formula, that is tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. So why do you need to know this formula? Because right now we'll be finding out the values of tan and all the angles. So now we'll be writing here tan, right? So what is the formula? It is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. So what is 0 by 1? Because if we are to find tan 0 degree, then we'll be writing here sin 0 degree by cos 0 degree, right? So sin 0 degree is 0 and cos 0 degree is 1. So you can write it as 0, isn't it? Can we write it as 0? Definitely we can write it as 0. Now tan 30 degree is nothing but sin 30 degree by cos 30 degree. So what is sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. What is cos 30 degree? Root 3 by 2. So if we take this denominator upside, then it will be the reciprocal, isn't it? 1 by 2 by 2 root 3. So 2 will be cancelled. What will be our answer? Our answer will be 1 by root 3. So you can write it here as 1 by root 3. So in the similar way, if we find out tan 45 degree, we will be getting 1. If we find out tan 60 degree, we will be getting root 3. And if we find out tan 90 degree, then it will be not defined. The reason is very simple. Tan 90 degree, so it will be sin 90 degree by cos 90 degree. So sin 90 degree is nothing but 1 and cos 90 degree is 0, and we know that in denominator if there is 0, then it is not defined, or you can say it as infinity. So it is a not defined value. So we can write it here as not defined. Fine. So similarly you can find out cot as well. So cot is very easy to find out. Cot is nothing but the reciprocal of tan. So the formula, the identity is very simple. Let me rub this. Okay. So now cot. So cot theta is the reciprocal of what? Tan theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. And if you remember it, then it is very easy to find out cot theta. So cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So if we in a very easy way, we can say that similarly like sine and cos, the relation was cos was the reverse order of sine. So here it will be same for cot as well. Cot will be the reverse order of what? Reverse order of tan. So here it will be not defined. So after that there will be root 3, then 1 will be 1 only, then it will be 1 by root 3, and it would be 0. So students, we have done the 4 trigonometric ratios, that is sine, cos, tan and cot. So every trigonometric ratio, that is sine, cos, tan and cot, are related to each other. So I have told you that how they are related, what you really need to remember. So I have told you the tricks. So now we have to remember the another trigonometric ratio, that is cosec. Very easy to remember, but for that we have to remember one trigonometric identity or one trigonometric formula, that is cosec theta is the reverse of what? Is the reciprocal or the reverse of sin theta, or sin theta is the reverse of cosec theta or the reciprocal of cosec theta. So if we remember this trigonometric identity, then it becomes easier for us to remember cosec theta. Why? Because if we have to find out cosec 0 degree, if we have to find out cosec 0 degree, if we have to find out cosec 0 degree, it will be 1 by sin 0 degree, right? What is sin 0 degree? 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 is what? Not defined, isn't it? So what can we write here? Not defined. Okay. So now, if we have to find out what? Cosec 30 degree, it will be 1 by sin 30 degree. This is the trigonometric identity that we are using here. It will be 1 by what? Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. So now, this 1 by 2, if it goes upside, then it will be what? 2. So cosec 30 degree will be 2. So similarly, we can say that cosec theta is nothing but what? The reciprocal of sin theta. So the reciprocal of 1 by root 2 would be root 2. So cosec 45 degree would be root 2. So cosec 60 degree would be 2 by root 3, right? And the reciprocal of 1 is 1 only, right? Now sec theta. So to remember sec theta, you just have to know cosec theta, because I told you that if you remember sin theta, then cos theta is very easier for you to remember, because it is the reverse of what? Sin theta. Similarly, if you remember tan theta, then it is cot theta is very easy to remember, because cot theta is the reverse of tan theta, and cosec theta is very easy to remember if you remember this trigonometric identity, and sec theta is nothing but the reverse order of what? Cosec theta. So the relation here are reversible to each other. So cosec theta and sec theta are like in a relationship. So cosec theta and sec theta. So sec theta is the reversible order of what? Cosec theta. So now sec theta. So if you reverse this order, then what would sec theta become? Here it will be 1, then it will be 2 root 3, root 2, 2, and not defined. Okay. So students, hopefully you have enjoyed my video, and if you have enjoyed this video, then definitely do like, share and subscribe my video. And thank you for watching. Keep watching my videos, and I'll be putting more of such videos for you all. I'm working on it, and I'll be putting more videos in the upcoming days. So thank you so much.